So you've just built a brand new PC, or maybe you've reinstalled Windows, and you run right into that final hurdle, activation. Well, today we're going to show you two ways to clear it. We've got the simple everyday method, and then we've got the power user move that just gets it done even when things get buggy. Let's dive right in. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? That little ghost in the corner of your screen, the Activate Windows watermark, just haunting you during movies, gaming, you name it. It's not just annoying, it actually limits what you can do. But getting rid of it for good? It's way easier than you think, and we're going to show you exactly how. Okay, so the heart of this whole process is the product key. Now, don't think of it as just a password. It's more like the official handshake between your computer and Microsoft. This 25-character code is what proves your copy is the real deal and unlocks all the features you paid for. And it's pretty much always going to look just like this. 5 blocks, 5 characters each. Now, here's the crucial part, so listen up. You have to make sure the key you have matches the version of Windows you installed. A key for Windows Home isn't going to work on a Pro installation, and vice versa. That trips a lot of people up. All right, let's start with the most common and, honestly, the most direct route. This is the method that's built right into the Windows interface, and for most of you, this is all you're ever going to need. For all you Windows 10 users out there, you're going to start in the Settings menu. From there, head over to Update and Security. And then on the left, you'll see a tab for activation. Click that. Find the option that says Change Product Key. You just pop your code right in there, and Windows handles the rest. Easy peasy. Now, if you're on Windows 11 or 12, things are even more streamlined. Microsoft moved some stuff around, but the idea is exactly the same. Pro tip, just hit the Windows key plus I to jump straight into Settings. The activation menu is now right under the main System tab. Same destination, just a slightly shorter path. But what happens when the simple way doesn't work? You know, maybe the settings menu is lagging, or you keep getting some weird, vague error message. Well, that's when it's time to pull out the secret weapon, the good old command prompt. See, this is how you can completely bypass the graphical interface and talk directly to the operating system itself. It's an incredibly powerful way to just force the activation to happen, and it's a lifesaver for troubleshooting. Okay, this first command looks a little intimidating, but it's super direct. After you open Command Prompt as an administrator, you'll type this command, but replace all those X's with your actual key. That /IPK part, it literally just means install product key. You're telling Windows exactly what to do, no questions asked. Now, once that key is installed, you've got one last step. You'll type in this second command. The /ATO part tells the system to attempt online activation. It forces Windows to ping Microsoft servers right then and there to verify the key you just put in. You should get a little pop-up saying it was a success. So, you've entered your key one way or the other. How do you actually know for sure that it worked? And more importantly, what do you do if you hit a roadblock? Let's cover how to confirm everything's good to go and how to deal with the most common issues. Checking your status is super simple. You can, of course, just go back to that activation page in Settings, or you can use my personal favorite method, a quick command. Just type slmgr/xpr into the command prompt. It'll give you a simple, satisfying message. The machine is permanently activated. That's what you want to see. Now, if for some reason activation fails, it's almost always for one of 3 reasons. First, you might see an error that the key's already in use. This can happen with retail keys if you forget to deactivate an old PC. Second, the obvious one we all forget sometimes, you have to be connected to the internet. And finally, that classic mismatch we talked about, trying to use a home key on a Pro installation. Always, always double-check your versions. And there you have it, the standard way and the power user way to get Windows activated. But let me leave you with a final thought. What if you never had to dig around for that 25-character key ever again? See, by linking your key to your Microsoft account, it becomes a digital license that just follows you. That means on your next PC build or reinstall, Windows can activate itself automatically the moment you sign in. It's the ultimate set it and forget it trick, and something you should definitely look into.